Welcome everybody. Today we're going to take a look at the Tech high temp tape. This is wire harness tape. Let's take a closer look at the package here. This is a wire harness tape. It is a polyester fabric cloth. It's water resistant, it is puncture resistant, and it has a wide operating temperature, -40 to plus 257 degrees Fahrenheit. They claim it'll last up to 6 years. Now, this is the same material that we can see on this wiring harness right here. So this is a way for us to restore a bit of missing tape on a harness to keep that stock OEM look and protection level. I do like this actually better than the less expensive plastic looms. Now, there is a piece here that is not adhesive, so you want to tear that and get rid of that. But we can get this on our harness and just start giving it a good twist. And look at that. It looks like we're just continuing on with the same insulation that was on there from the factory. It is a great solution for using on your next harness project. And one thing you want to do when you tear this off, on the end that you want to end with, you leave the diagonal and then take a strip and either tear or cut it, but then give yourself a nice square ending. It makes for a really much nicer, neater appearance to your harness job. And it keeps the thing from unraveling over time. So this is a great solution if you're looking to do some restoration work, or you're looking to add some things to your car under hood, or your motorcycle, or your boat, or your ATV. This is the stuff that's going to get you what the original equipment manufacturer intended for protecting those wire harnesses and keeping everything nice and neat. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.